Okay, today I have a service call for no heat. It's really windy, it's very cold, and it's snowing, and there is no heat. So here is the HVAC unit I've been looking at, and this is York heating and cooling. Today we're looking at the heating system aspect of it. Why there is no heat. So I'll keep you posted. So I'm going to dive in quickly. Okay, so what I noticed so far is that my vent motor is running, but there's no heat. This is my vent motor from the vent, and it's running, but there's no heat. So I'm going to open the electrical and I will see what's going on. But I'm going to leave the unit keep running, and I will be able to just take a look quickly. Okay, so I have opened up the burner section, the electrical section, my blower section, and also I have my the return, which is the filter section. But I just want to explain to you, here on the burner section there is so here I have my ignition control board here. So there is a flash on the ignition control board, but if you can look at it, so we're going to count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm having 6 flashes on the ignition control board. 6 is saying flame present, with gas off. So I'm gonna really see what's going on here, but I can. The reason why I have not really turned it off is just because of my viewer. I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna look at my belt. The belt is wobbling. I'm gonna see the condition of the belt. But so far, coming to the air filter here, you can see my air filter is really bad. This can also create airflow. You can't really see through. As you can see, this is the condition of the belt. But it's, the air filter is really stuck and stinky here. So this is a potential problem here, that the filter is bad. See, even the control board is really also bad. You can see some of the circuits, the diode, or the IC iron, all the components of the control board, they're kind of looking really burnt. So, but even though with that, I guess the board is still okay. My blower motor is running, but there's no heat. So I also think it might have tripped off on my high limit, because you can see in there is my high limit. You can see there's a high limit switch in there. So, okay, so far I will update you. I'm gonna have to report back to the owner that the filter needs to be changed. The belt is a potential also problem, so I'm gonna turn it off now. So we'll look at the codes for the belt. So I just turn it off. Let's see. So be careful. Okay, you see, I'm gonna take the belt out. So we'll see. Yeah, the belt is wear out. So, but it has lost some grip and frictions. So this belt is A36. Mine needs to be replaced, and then adjustment be given to the belt. So this is York, and how many ton is this unit? This is 6 ton York rooftop unit. You can see in the day like this, it's really snowing, and it's very cold, and yet there is no heat. So I'm trying to get this unit going, and it's really cold, and I can't put in so much time here. So, okay, so just turn it back on again, and now there's another error code displaying which says 2 flashes. And 2 flashes is saying pressure centrifugal switch with inducer. So these are the switches here. So I'm going to check see why that pressure switch is not closed properly. So I'm going to have to turn it off. Okay, so I closed my air filter section, my blower section, and I just turn it on. Again, I reset that high limit switch, and now I smell gas, but I don't have a flame. I smell gas from the gas valve. That means my gas valve is okay, but I don't have a flame. So now the signal from the control board has also changed again to continuous flash, which is normal. So at this time it's normal. The control board said yeah, it's normal, but however I still don't have a flame. So the reason why I don't have flame now is that my spark is not coming out. You can see in the day like this, it's very it's snowing, it's windy, and it's really very cold, and there is no heat. So I'm going to ask you, please try and subscribe to this channel. That is the problem so far, and I will get you posted. And thanks for watching. This is HVAC mechanical system. Like you can see, it's really windy. See, it's really snowing, really snowing, really snowing. It's very cold here. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Okay, just want to let you know, we're going to change this spark igniter here. So, and you can see that's my spark, and then this is the replacement parts for that from York. Okay, these are all York parts, so we'll be swapping it in, and then we'll see how it's going. Thank you. Okay, so you can see this is the old and the new spark. Okay, so I'm gonna just connect back to that screw. Okay, so here is where the spark is connected. This is the spark module here. So you can see it. So I'm just gonna pull this wire off and then put in the new one in there. Okay, so it's fully connected. Okay, so we are back in, and like you know, we weren't getting enough spark, so we're suspecting this ignition control board not sending full power to the spark. So I'm gonna have to swap this this control board. So, but however, I have another control board. I'm gonna display it more to you. Okay, so see my new board. See the new board. I'm gonna put it side by side, so we'll see. So you can see how the new board is. Okay. Okay, so I have installed my my ignition control board. So I'm just gonna turn the unit on, and we'll see. Okay, my vent motor comes on. So I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds and see when I'm gonna get a spark. Yeah, I got a good spark. I got a spark. Yeah, I got a flame. Let's see. I got a flame. Flame is good. And let's see if the flame sensor is gonna hold. Yeah, I got a flame. We'll see when the flame sensor is gonna hold. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see I have heat. So what I'm gonna do next is just change my air filters, and I'm gonna check my bed. So this unit is okay. So the problem here is the control board, the ignition control board was not able to send power to my spark ignition. So now that I change it, I cannot see my heat is on. Yeah, so you can see this is the old control board. See how burnt it is, and here's my new control board. See there, you can see. Okay, all right. Please subscribe to HVAC mechanical system, and thanks for watching. Thank you.